Wow, you're so beautiful. It's like, oh, well, thank you. For a photo, for a guy for online dating, whether it's Tinder or any sort of the platforms, definitely not a selfie. Like full like mirror selfie, I guess. A mirror selfie, that's so like middle school style. Doing something that you love is probably a good, but most of the time people don't have photographers or whatever, but even if it's photos of your family or your dog, something that you actually genuinely care about, that's what I feel like means more than you trying to do your best, best night out. Because I feel like it's the same thing in reverse for women. You want us to be doing something that we actually love doing. That's when you get the real beauty. So a bio on online dating can, obviously you want to be honest and stuff, but the best bios I've seen are the ones that they kind of crack jokes, or they make, they make light of the situations, or they make some humor out of it and stuff, because it kind of makes, as a girl, it kind of makes you want to go, I kind of want to talk to this guy, and see if is this just something that they may have just copied from someone else, or they truly actually, have a good personality behind it. I feel like, especially for Tinder and stuff, when it comes with actually matching with someone, again, a compliment is always good. A joke is great too as well. And so if you just want to kind of put your best foot forward, and so if you really, it's your first impression of someone, and not a lot of times you're going to get a chance to make a second impression. So it's definitely something I feel like you have to gauge with the right person. But for me and stuff, it was always someone with, whether it was personality, like humorous, or they actually just genuinely was like, wow, you're so beautiful. It's like, oh, well, thank you. So again, if I were to message, so for a guy to message me first and stuff, that's usually most of the time. And stuff, as I said, I like it when a guy makes the first move. But for me, if I were to ever make the first move, it would definitely be something to where almost kind of like a hard to get type situation and stuff. I like having that and stuff to kind of feel one up or whatever. Most of the time I won't go out of my way for someone that I feel is an easy catch. Stuff. I as a girl and stuff, if I'm gonna play that game, I want to instigate it. Honestly, when it comes to online dating, just don't catfish someone. Don't say you're someone that you're not, because especially one day or whatever, if you actually do want to meet the person, or you do get to talking, you like this person, no one likes a liar. No one likes it when you go back. But when it comes to someone and stuff, actually, when you actually do meet them and stuff, it's genuinely showing your personality and stuff, and putting that best foot forward, because that's what's gonna make it's gonna make me or like another girl actually want to go out with you and stuff. Is that they're not, if they feel like they've met all of you and stuff on social media or on Tinder or whatever, there's no gonna be, or if you're just trying to be sexual with it, there's not gonna be a date or even a possible meetup. I can guarantee that.